Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your album on the Pedometer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this share button at the top of the screen, and here you can see your daily steps, kilometer and burned calories. So tap on the My Albums section, go to settings, where you need to allow the application to access your photos. So tap on all photos or selected photos. Here you should select the pictures that you would like to select. Tap on show selected, done. In the upper right corner of the screen, go back to the app, and then you will be able to create your album by uploading the selected pictures. But here you have the chance to tap on the select more photos option, so you will be able to add more pictures from your gallery. But you can also tap on the keep current button. And you can also take a picture with your phone by tapping on the OK button. So feel free to add any picture. Let it be your pictures of your body in order to keep track of your daily improvement. So you can check how your body changes over time. Or if you are running, for example, you can also take pictures of your surrounding area that surrounds you, so you can create your album. So feel free to customize your album, and if you have taken this picture, you can also send it via Facebook, Instagram, or also save it by tapping on this third button. If you click on the three dots icon, as you can see, you can also send it via airdrop or other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.